हेलो दोस्तों, आज हम करेंगे हर रोज़ बोले जाने वाले एडवांस इंग्लिश स्ट्रक्चर। यूज़ ऑफ अनटिल आई डाई, मरते दम तक। तुम अपना पहला प्यार मरते दम तक नहीं भूल सकते। यू कांट फॉरगेट योर फर्स्ट लव अनटिल यू डाई। मैं आपका एहसान मरते दम तक नहीं भूलूंगा। आई विल नॉट फॉरगेट योर फेवर टिल डेथ। मैं अपने दुश्मन के घर मरते दम तक नहीं जाऊंगा। I will not go to my enemy's house until I die. मैं मरते दम तक यहाँ नहीं आऊँगा। I will not come here until I die. Who says? कौन कहता है? कौन कहता है तुम मोटी हो? Who says you are fat? कौन कहता है वह गरीब है? Who says he is poor? कौन कहता है भगवान नहीं है? Who says that God doesn't exist? कौन कहता है तुम सुंदर नहीं हो? Who says you are not beautiful? Use of somewhere, कहीं ना कहीं। कहीं ना कहीं तुम गलत हो। Somewhere you are wrong. उसने अपना मोबाइल कहीं ना कहीं खो दिया। He lost his mobile somewhere. कहीं ना कहीं तुम झूठ बोल रहे हो। You are telling lies somewhere. मेरी चाबी कहीं ना कहीं यही है। My key is here somewhere. जब कोई सामान खत्म हो रहा है, खत्म हो गया है तो run out का प्रयोग करेंगे। चीनी खत्म हो रही है। The sugar is running out. आटा खत्म हो गया है। The flour has run out. दूध खत्म हो गया। The milk has run out. मेरे पास पैसे खत्म हो गए हैं। I have run out of money. रिचार्ज खत्म होना। Use of get over. कल मेरा रिचार्ज खत्म हो जाएगा। Tomorrow my recharge will get over. मुझे लगता है उसका रिचार्ज खत्म हो गया। I think his recharge has got over. Use of in the habit of, आदत है। तुम्हें बोलने की आदत है। You are in the habit of speaking. तुम्हें बातों को घूमने की आदत है। You are in the habit of twisting in the words. तुम्हें छोटे छोटे बातों पर गुस्सा करने की आदत है। You are in the habit of getting angry over trivial things. Use of to be honest, सच कहूँ तो। सच कहूँ तो मैं उसका चेहरा भी नहीं देखना चाहता हूँ। To be honest, I don't even want to see her face. सच कहूँ तो यह मेरा इरादा नहीं था। To be honest, it was not my intention at all. सच कहूँ तो मेरा भरोसा उठ गया। To be honest, I have lost my faith. सच कहूँ तो वह यहाँ नहीं आया। To be honest, he did not come here. It makes no difference. मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता। मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि तुम आओ या ना आओ। It doesn't matter whether you come or not. मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि वह काम करे या न करे। It doesn't matter whether he works or not. मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि वह बोले या न बोले। It doesn't matter whether he speaks or not. मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि तुम इंग्लिश सीखो या ना सीखो। It doesn't matter whether you learn English or not. No longer need, अब और ज़रूरत नहीं। अब तुम जा सकते हो, मुझे तुम्हारी ज़रूरत नहीं। Now you can go, I no longer need you. मुझे अब और इस मोबाइल की ज़रूरत नहीं है। Now I no longer need this mobile. उसे अब और कोई दवा की ज़रूरत नहीं है। Now he no longer need any medicine. Thinking of, करने की सोच रहा हूँ। स्कूल जाने के बहाने से वह पैसे मांग रहा था. He was asking for money on the pretext of going to the school. वह बाजार जाने के बहाने से मुझसे मिलने आई. She came to meet me on the pretext of going to the market. वह मंदिर जाने के बहाने से घर से निकली. She left home on the pretext of going to the temple. Making rounds of, चक्कर काटते काटते. वह बैंक के चक्कर काटते काटते थक गया है. He is tired of making rounds of the bank. वे लोग अस्पताल के चक्कर काट काट कर थक गए. They were tired of making rounds of the hospital. लड़के मैदान के चक्कर काट काट कर थक गए हैं. The boys got tired of making rounds of the ground. Compulsion to, मजबूरी. मेरी मजबूरी है सुबह 5 बजे उठना. It was my compulsion to wake up at 5 o'clock morning. तुम्हारी मजबूरी है उसे बर्दाश्त करना. It is your compulsion to tolerate him. हमारी मजबूरी थी वहाँ जाना. It was our compulsion to go there. यह उसकी मजबूरी कि वह मुझसे बात करे. It is her compulsion to talk to me. Use of someone, कोई. कोई आ रहा है. Someone is coming. कोई मुझे घूर रहा है. Someone is staring at me. कोई तुम्हारा इंतजार कर रहा है. Someone is waiting for you. कोई वहाँ खड़ा है. Someone was standing there. Use of every bod, हर कोई. हर कोई मुझे गाली देता है. Everybody abuses me. हर कोई मुझे मरता है. Everybody beats me. हर कोई झूठ बोलता है. Everybody tells a lie. हर कोई यह कर सकता है. Everybody can do it. Use of feel like, मन कर रहा है. मेरा सोने का मन कर रहा है. I feel like sleeping. मेरा नहाने कर रहा है. I feel like taking bath. उसका खाने का मन कर रहा है. He feels like eating food. मेरा चाय पीने का मन कर रहा है. I feel like taking tea. Use of when, कब. When is your birthday? My birthday is on 1st January. When is his birthday? His birthday is on February 2nd. When were you born? I was born in 1999. When is the field trip? The field trip is on Friday. When is their anniversary? Their anniversary is in June. When does the party start? The party starts at 6 p.m. When do you do your homework? I do my homework at 5 p.m. When is the soccer game on TV? The soccer game is on Saturday. When are the banks open? Banks are open on weekdays. When does the train arrive? The train arrives at 4 p.m. When does the class finish? Class finishes at 3 p.m. When are you free? I'm free on weekends. Use of where, कहाँ. Where is my pencil case? It's in your backpack. Where is your book? Your book is on the table. Where are my glasses? Your glasses are on your head. Where is the post office? The post office is down the street. Where are you from? I am from Canada. Where is he from? He is from Brazil. Where does she live? She lives in New York. Where are Chris and Kelly from? Chris and Kelly are from Australia. Where is Canada on the map? Canada is north of the USA on the map. Where do you eat lunch? I eat lunch in the cafeteria. Where do you want to eat lunch? I want to eat lunch at the pizza place. Use of who, कौन. Who are you? I am a student. Who is he? He is my brother. Who is she? She is my teacher. Who is your best friend? My best friend is Gullu. Who did you meet? I met a new student. Who made this cake? My dad made it. Who is the most beautiful? My mom is the most beautiful. Who are your role models? My parents are my role models. Use of why, क्यों. Why are you so happy? Because I got good news. Why are you laughing? Because the joke was funny. Why are you crying? Because I'm sad. Why were you late? Because there was traffic. Why did you do that? Because I was curious. Why was Chris not at work yesterday? Chris was sick yesterday. Use of which, कौन सा, कौन सी. Which do you prefer? The red one or the blue one? I prefer the blue one. Which teacher do you like the most? I like Mr. Kamal the most. Which of my books would you like to borrow? I would like to borrow your science book. Which way is it to the library? The library is that way, to the left. Which restaurant shall we go to? Let's go to the Italian restaurant. Which dress do you like? I like the green dress. Which team do you think will win? I think the Wildcats will win. Which mountain is the tallest in the world? Mount Everest is the tallest. Use of how, कैसे. How is your family doing? My family is doing well. How do you manage stress? I meditate and exercise. How often do you watch movies? I watch movies every weekend. How is climate change affecting our world? It's leading to warmer temperatures. How do I install this software? Follow the setup guide. How many languages can you speak? I can speak 2 languages.